This is the ICSE 2025 Mathematics Board question paper. I just got this in my hand, maximum marks 80. I hope all those who are looking at this video, your paper today was excellent, as I heard from my students that the paper was really good. So let us see, I have really not looked at the whole paper, but let us look at our paper. This is our section 1. These are the MCQs. Let me just quickly scan through the paper and let me just see the 4-mark questions. Here are the 4-mark question. This is fine. Let me look at this. This also seems to be good. This is two similar triangles. This seems to be good. This is construction, circumcircle, not bad. Matrices also is pretty simple. This is 5-mark question. ABCD is a parallelogram. Write down the coordinates, calculate the coordinate of P, point of intersection of AC and BD. That's also okay. This also is pretty straightforward. Let's look at the choice questions. 3, AP, 4. This seems to be good also if you use AQ plus BQ formula. This is dividendo question. This one is good. This one may take some time. It's a 4-mark question. This one will be simple, 5-mark question, and this also can be achieved. So those who are comfortable with heights and distances could attempt this question. Here this is histogram, is simple. Let's look at good. They have given you coordinates of P and Q, equation of RS which is perpendicular. This also is pretty good. Let us look at this. This seems to be good. Question number 8, shares and dividends, is again straightforward. This is again straightforward. Let us see this. Quadratic equation also seems to be good. Maybe calculations or the splitting of terms may take some time. This one, for some of you it may just look confusing. Anyway, we'll come to that later on. This is the probability. This one I can see equal size alternate segment theorem. I think it is pretty doable. I'm glad that circle questions are not too difficult. This is the nth term here. This one also is similarity and circles. I think it's a good paper. And they are not asking you to draw the ogive. They have given it ready-made for you. All you have to do is identify this. I think the paper could not have been easier. Fine. So let us look at the section 1. And let us look at our MCQ first question. So this is our section A. The quadratic equation has equal real roots, distinct real roots, 2 real roots. Okay. Your A, B, C. Your A is 3. Your B is root 7. And C is 2. So discriminant will be B square minus 4AC. That will be 7 minus 4 into 3 into 2. So that is 7 minus 4, 3 is 12, 2 is 24 is going to be negative. So they will be imaginary roots, means it will be your option D. Question number 2, Anuj deposits 500 per month for 18 months and he earns this as interest. Okay, so for this he earns blah as the interest. They are asking the matured amount. So MV is going to be equal to P into N plus 570. So P is 500 into N is 18 and plus 570. Isn't this A, first one? Number 3, which cannot be the probability of any event. Remember, your probability of any event lies between this. So this is possible, this is greater than 1, so not possible. This is less than 1, so possible, this also is possible. So the one which is not possible is greater than 1, which is A. Equation of a line passing through the origin and parallel to the line. Now it is passing through the origin, which means your C is going to be equal to 0. That is the y-intercept. It is parallel to this line. The equation becomes this way. You have to find the slope by converting it into y is equal to mx plus c. So the slope m1 is minus 3 upon 4. Now the equation of the line passing through origin means y-intercept 0 and m will be the same as this line. So the equation will be equal to y is equal to mx plus c becomes y is equal to minus 3 upon 4 x plus 0. So 4y equal to minus 3x. So I have 3x plus 4y equal to 0. Where is it? 3x plus 4y? That is option D. Question number 4, A has been given as 0, 1, 1, 0. Now this is not unit matrix. You have to find A square. So it is going to give us 2 by 2 matrix. This into this will be 0 plus 1. This into this will be 0 plus 0. This into this will be 0 plus 0 and this into this will be 1 plus 0. So 1, 0, 0, 1. Where is it? That is option C. So it becomes a unit matrix. In the given diagram, AC and BC, they are equal and ACD is 120. So AEC, this one. We'll have to first find this. So let us call this as n x and x. Yeah. So this is the exterior angle equal to 2x. So 2x is equal to 120. X is equal to 60. So this angle, the opposite angles of cyclic quad are supplementary. So this also turns out to be 120 degrees. So the option is D. 7th one, the factor common to two polynomials, this and this. Now this polynomial is x plus 2, x minus 2, and you got to check this out with either x equal to 2 or x equal to minus 2. If it is x equal to 2, then f of 2 will be 2 cube, that is 8, minus 2 square is 4, minus 2 into 4 is 8 and plus 4. So this gives us the remainder equal to 0 by remainder theorem. So x was equal to 2, which means we have divided by x minus 2. So x minus 2 is the common factor. X minus 2 is option D. The man invested in the company paying 12% dividend of his share and percentage return on his investment is 10%. So if I have D upon 100 into FV is equal to R upon 100 into his market value, then 12 into FV is equal to 10 into MV. So your MV, it will be 12 into FV upon 10. So that will be 1.2 times FV. So definitely market value will be above par. Where is the option? It will be greater than face value. The point which is equidistant from three non-collinear points DEF is the circumcenter of DEF. If it is equidistant from the vertices, then that point has to be the circumcenter, because then DO will be equal to EO will be equal to FO of this triangle. And now they are saying incenter is where the bisector of the angles intersects. We have circumcenter. This has got nothing to do with this. So although this is correct, it is not the correct explanation. So this is correct, and the second statement also is correct. But this is not the correct explanation. I wish they had to give some option like that. Both are true, but statement 2 is not the correct explanation, is the correct explanation. That would have been a little more challenging. Anyway, this is true, so it will be A option. 10th one, assertion is sine square A plus sine A equal to 1. Then cos to the power 4 A plus cos square A is equal to 1. The reason is 1 minus sine square A equal to cos square A. Now this is the correct explanation because 1 is equal to sine square A plus cos square A. So we'll use this and take sine square A that side. So you'll get 1 minus sine square A, because we are looking at the link between the assertion and the reason. So if I have sine square A plus sine A is equal to 1, then in place of sine square, if sine A is cos square, this becomes your sine A whole square plus sine A, that is LHS, and that will give us here cos square A whole square plus cos square A, and that gives us cos to the power 4A plus cos square A. Now if this is equal, so if this is equal to 1, then this also is equal to 1. So this is true, and this also is true, because if you take sine square A that side, it is the identity. So both of them are correct. So both of them are true, and R is the correct reason for A. This is also correct. It is not incorrect. It is the correct reason. So the option is question number 11. ABC and EFG, they are similar. Oh dear me, where is ABC? ABC is here. So A, B, C, and EFG, E is here, F is here, and G is here. Then the length of the side FG, this you have to find. So let us look at this ABC. Let us take the corresponding sides in ratio. So AB upon EF equal to BC upon FC, FG equal to AC upon EG. We know BC 3 centimeter and FG we do not know. So after substituting the values, we will have 15 ones and 15 fives. So FG comes this side and this 5 goes that side. So 3 into 5 becomes 15 centimeter. So the correct option here is A. 12th one, the volume of two spheres is in the ratio this. The sphere is having volume formula 4 upon 3 pi r cube, so we'll call this as R1 and this will call as R2, and that is equal to 27:64. So 4 upon 3 and pi got cancelled. So r1 cube is to r2 cube is equal to 3 cube is to 4 cube. Taking cube root, we will have r1 is to r2 will be 3 is to 4. 3 is to 4 is A. Question 13. Mark price of the article is 1375. CGST is at the rate of 4%. Find the price of the article including GST. If CGST is 4%, your GST rate will be double of that, means 8. And the GST on this will be 8 upon 100 into 1375. So 25 goes 4 times, 25 goes 5 times, 125. You subtract 125, again you get 12. So 55 times, and 4 ones and 4 twos. So it becomes 110. 110 is added to this. So 1375 plus 110 becomes 1485, and that is option D. The 14th one, solution set for 0 less than minus x upon 3 less than 2 where x is z. For this, your 0 is less than minus x upon 3. So x upon 3 is less than 0 and x is less than 0. We have minus x upon 3 less than 2, the other inequation. So minus 2 is less than x upon 3. So minus 6 is less than x. So you have minus 6 less than x less than 0, where x belongs to set of integers. So minus 5 up to minus 1. Where is it? Minus 5 up to minus 1. A option. And the last MCQ, assertion mean of first 9 natural numbers is 4.5. The reason, mean is sum of all the observations upon total number of observations. So this is correct. And the mean of first natural number. So natural numbers start from 1 up to 9 we'll have to take. So the sum of this will be n into n plus 1 upon 2. So that is 9 into 10 upon 2. So 45, and 45 will be divided by 9. The sum is 45, so the mean is equal to 5. So this is wrong. This is correct. So the option is B. Okay, this is wrong. It should have been 5, but the formula is correct. Okay, so that finished our MCQs. How was it so far? I hope all of you got full marks here. Let us come to question number 2. Now this is a 4-mark question, so you will have to show the working very correctly. We have your A equal to 2, B equal to minus 5, and C is equal to minus 4. We have to solve this. So we have 4 2's 8. There are no factors that will give you the split term here. So we will first find the discriminant, which is b square minus 4ac. So minus 5 whole square minus 4 into 2 into minus 4. That will give us 25. Minus into minus is plus 32. That gives us here 57 as the discriminant. So your x is equal to minus b plus or minus root of b square minus 4ac upon 2a. Now we substitute with minus b, means minus into bracket minus 5 plus or minus under root 57 upon 2 into 2. That will give us 5 plus or minus root of 57. This is our square root table. We need under root 57. Under root 57. Can you see this? 7.550. So we will write here 7.550 upon 4. That would give us 5 plus 7.55 upon 4, or 5 minus 7.55 upon 4. That would give us 12.55 upon 4, or it would be minus 2.55 upon 4. Let's divide. This will be 4 3s 12, 4 1s remained 1, 4 3s 12 remain 3, so 4 7s 28 and 4 5s 20, or this would be minus 0.4624 remain 1, 4 3s 12, and then this. They are saying three significant figures. Three significant figures is 1, 2, 3, we count from here, and this is 1, 2, 3, so we count after this decimal point. Okay, because the 0 before the decimal point, this is non-significant. So it becomes 3.14 because next digit is 5 or more than 5, or it will be minus 0.6. This 3 becomes 4 with the same rule, and therefore the solution set is going to be minus 0.64 comma 3.14, and that is our answer. Question 2, the second part. Mrs. Rao deposits 250 rupees per month in a recurring deposit account for 3 years. She receives this much at the time of maturity. So when you are solving this, you need to write this is your question number 2, second part, and the principal is rupees 250. N is going to be 3 years, means 36 months, and maturity value is going to be rupees 10110, and they are asking you find the rate of interest and how much more would she have received if she had to deposit 50 more per month. So the A part and B part is how much more. If principal was rupees 50 more means rupees 300. Okay, for the same rate and for the same time. Let us write a formula. Your MV has been given. So maturity value is equal to P into N plus the interest. The interest is P into N plus 1 upon 2 into R upon 100 into 1 upon 12. So 10110 is equal to 250 multiplied by 36 plus 250 into 36 into 37 upon 2 into R upon 100 into 1 upon 12. Let us cancel these and let us have 5 5s and 5 2s, and let us have 2 1s and 2 3s. So we will have 10110 equal to, now this is going to be 9 into 4. This is my thinking step. So I'll write this 0 here. 25 4s 100, so I'll write 2 more zeros and 9 here. Okay, plus this will be 5 into, I know 37 into 3 is 111 upon 4 into r. Now without any problem, I should just multiply the whole equation by 4. So this 4 and this 4 will get cancelled. And here it will be 40440, easy multiplication, and 4 9s 36. And plus this will be 5 into 111 r. If we take this that side, we'll have to subtract 36 from here. So you will get 4440. Okay, this 36 went to that side. Okay, so 40,000 minus 36,000 is 4,000 and these 44. So 4440 is equal to 5 into 111 r. So your r will be equal to 4440 upon 5 into 111. So this went 40 times and 5 ones and 5 eights. So r is equal to 8% per annum. So I will just write rate here and I will put this in a box so that the examiner has no problem to spot it. Now they are saying if she had to pay 300, so how much more? There are two ways of doing this. Either find the maturity value with 300 or the increase in maturity value will be 50 as the principal and you use the same thing. It's your choice. I am going to say for B, so this is my A part. For B, I will say increase in principal is rupees 50. The rate is 8% per annum and the time is still equal to 36 months. So I'm going to find out how much would be the maturity value, the increase in it. Okay, so I will find out increase in maturity value will be equal to, since I've already written the formula, P into N will be 50 into 36 months plus the interest is 50 into 36 into 37 upon 2 into 8 upon 100 into 1 upon 12. So that will give us 180, 1800 plus, here I will cancel this 1 0 and 5 ones, 5 twos, 12 ones, 12 threes, 2 ones, 2 fours, 2 ones, 2 twos. So we have plus 3 into 2, 6 into 37. So I'm writing 2 into 3 into 37. That will give us 1800 plus this gives me 111. So multiplied by 2 becomes 222 and I will have 8 and 2, 10, carry 1. So 2022 would be the increase in maturity value. So I get the B answer directly. If you choose to write, the new MV will be 300 into 36 and then 300 into 36 into 37 upon 2 and calculate the interest. Then the increased MV minus the original MV, that would be the additional amount. So therefore, additional amount received if rupees 50 more invested per month. Okay, and that is my answer. So even if you do not have space C, you can write it like this. As long as it is legible, your examiner will be very happy to give you your full marks. So we finish with question 2, second part. Now we have question 3, the third part. In triangle ABC, ABC is 90, AB is 20 centimeter, AC is 25 centimeter, DE is perpendicular such that DEA is 90, DEA is 90 degrees, DE is 3 centimeters, and you have to prove that the two triangles are similar. Okay, now here I'm sure you had drawn this diagram, but I'm not going to draw that. I'm just going to write the statements. Number 1 statement, I will say in triangle AED. No, they are saying ABC. So I should start with ABC. In triangle ABC and triangle AED. The first statement, I'll say that they have common angle here. So that is your angle BAC equal to this angle in the small triangle will be EAD. That is your common angle. Statement number 2, I'm going to say this is 90 and this is 90. But I'll write the big triangle first. So angle ABC is equal to angle AED equal to 90 degrees, and that is given. And the third statement will be, therefore the two triangles, which ones? Triangle ABC are similar, is similar to triangle AED, and that will be from statement 1 and 2 and AA test for similarity. Hope you have written that. And that is your proved A part. So we keep this in a box like so. And in the fourth statement, I need to write the corresponding sides, the ratio of it. So I will write AB upon AE equal to BC upon ED equal to AC upon AD. And here it will be from statement 3, and we'll say corresponding sides of similar triangles are in proportion. Let us substitute the values. This is 20 upon AE. Is AE given? AE is not given. Equal to BC. Is BC upon ED given? We have BC, but ED is 3 centimeter. Equal to AC is 25 centimeter, and AD we do not know. They are telling you find the lengths of BC, AD and AE. Now, can you see over here, if this is 20 and this is 25 and this is right triangle. So my fifth statement will be that in right triangle ABC, by Pythagoras theorem, I will have AC square equal to AB square plus BC square. So BC square will be equal to AC square minus AB square. That means 25 square minus 20 square. That is 625 minus 400, 225. Okay, so BC comes out to be under root 225 means 15 centimeter. So write in the diagram 15 centimeter over here. Now I'm going to rewrite statement 4, but I'm going to number it as number 6 after 5. I'll write AB as 20 upon AE here, 20 upon AE as it is. I'll write centimeters here. BC upon, now BC is how much? 15 centimeter. How much is ED? 3 centimeter. And that is equal to AC is 25 centimeter, and that upon AD. So we already found BC as 15 centimeter. They tell you to find AD. So we will have to take these two ratios. This is 3 ones and 3 fives. So we will say 7 statement that 5 centimeter, that 5 upon 1 is equal to 25 upon AD. Therefore, AD is equal to 25, 5 comes here, AD goes there. So that will be 5 centimeter. So this is still your answer B. Then the 8th statement, we need AE. So AE means the first ratio and the second ratio. So we will take 20 centimeter upon AE equal to 5. That will give us AE equal to, AE comes here, 5 goes there. So 20 centimeter upon 5, which is 4 centimeter. So that is your answer B. So we have finished with this. This is our question 2 done. Now let us come to question number 3. Question number 3, using rule and compasses for following construction, construct a triangle ABC where AB is 6, AC is 4.5 and BAC is 120. Construct the circle circumscribing the triangle ABC. Measure and write down the length of the radius of the circle. For this, we will have to show the construction. So this is how the construction looks like. Your AC is 4.5 centimeter. Your AB is 6 centimeter. And this angle is 120 degrees. So we need to write that. Once we have drawn 4.5 and constructed 60 degrees, 120 degrees, got AB, cut an arc at 6 centimeters, joined BC, then for the circle, we need to bisect the sides. So I have tried to bisect the side earlier here. You can see I have erased it because the arc earlier and the new arc, they were coinciding. So I had to change the radius. Can you see that here this way? And yeah, so you saw these are the arcs of bisection. This is the dotted line. Then I bisected AB with the radius more than half, with the same radius from here also, this arc and this arc. Extra arcs I have cleaned, and where the two are intersecting, this is point O and this becomes the radius of the circumcircle. This is 5.1 centimeter. Now when you are constructing this radius, before you construct the whole radius, before you draw it, keep the point of compass over here and check whether it is passing through C, is it passing through A, is it passing through B, and then you draw the circle. Okay, and the radius comes out to be 5.1 centimeter and you have to write that. So that is our question number 3, first part. Let us come now to question number 3, second subpart. A, B, C have been given. Your A part says A plus C will be equal to, this is pretty simple like so. That will come out to be this plus this. So 1 minus 5, then 2 plus 1, then 3 plus 7 and 4 minus 4. That will give us minus 4, 3, 10 and 0. That is your answer A. Next, they are telling you B into A plus C. B is 2, 1, 4, 2. A plus C is minus 4, 3, 10 and 0. Now we have to use this value in the further calculation. So we got to double check this, otherwise the whole thing will go wrong. So let's double check. Did we copy everything right? Did we copy everything right? A and C is here. So A plus C, this and this gives minus 4, this and this gives 3, this and this gives 10, this and this gives 0. So we are right. Now it is a 2 by 2 matrix multiplying 2 by 2 matrix. So it is going to be a 2 by 2 matrix. So as we come to first row, first column, we will do this. First row, first column. So 2 into minus 4 plus 1 into 10. Then we come here. So first row, second column. First row, second column. 2 into 3 plus 1 into 0. Then we come here. Second row, first column. Second row, first column. 4 into minus 4 and 2 into 10. Then this into this, 4 into 3 plus 2 into 0. That would give us minus 8 plus 10. Here it is 6 plus 0. Here it is minus 16 plus 20. This is 12 plus 0. That would give us minus 8 and 10 means 2. 6 and 0 means 6. This would give us 4 and this would give us 12. So this is our answer B. We have C part saying 5B. So it will be 5 and B is 2, 1, 4, 2. That will be 5 into 2, 10, 5 into 1, 5, 5 into 4, 20, 5 into 2, 10. And now we come to D, in which B into A plus C. Oh, that is our answer C. This minus 5B. Now our B is this, which is 2, 6, 4, 12 and minus 5B, that is 10, 5, 20, 10. Okay, so that would give us 2 minus 10. I think because I don't have space, I'll do directly here. This will be minus 8. 6 minus 5 will be 1. 4 minus 20 will be minus 16. And 12 minus 10, that will be 2. And this is our answer D. So that was easy 4 marks. 1 mark here, 1 mark here, 1 mark here, 1 mark here. Okay, that was simple. Only thing is that this is so simple, always double check. Have we copied this correct? Check. Have we copied this correct? Yeah. 2 minus 10, is it minus 8? Yeah. This minus this? Yeah. This minus this? Yeah. This minus this? Yeah. So that is our correct option. Let us come to question number 3, third part. It is a parallelogram given and 2 centimeter is 1 unit. So this is our diagram, and from the diagram we have to find out the coordinates of A, B, C, D. So on the line side, you will write question number 3, the third subpart, and you will write A, B, C, D. What is our A? X coordinate 3, Y coordinate 3. So 3, 3. What is our B? B is X coordinate 0. So 0, -2. What is our C? -4 here and -2. D is here. So -1 is X and 3 is Y. Double check so that you will not make any mistakes. Okay, because some questions are so simple and we make stupid mistakes. We don't want stupid mistakes. Alright, so this is your A part. Find the coordinates of each one. Let us see what is the second part. Calculate coordinates of P, the point of intersection of AC and BD. This is P. P is here. Can you see it is it's not even half. It is 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so it is this is 0.5. Let us look at this. If this and this is 1 unit, and this 1 unit, each one of them is 0.1 because there are 10 divisions. So here there is 1, 2, 3, 4 divisions. So x coordinate for P is -0.4, comma here it is 0.5 here. Okay, on Y, can you see over here? See here, yeah, it is 0.5. So 0.5. C says find the slope of sides BC and DA and verify that they represent parallel lines CB and DA. The slope of CB and DA. Okay, CB and DA, that's what they are asking us. So for CB, it is parallel to x-axis. So the slope is going to be 0, but I do not know whether I should really take that. I should write B is equal to 0, -2 and C is equal to -4, -2, and so slope is given as, let us say, m1 y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1. So y2 minus y1 will give us -2 minus -2 upon x2 minus x1. So this will get cancelled and you will get 0 upon -4. So slope is equal to 0. Then this is the slope of BC. Now we will write DA. So D coordinate is -1, 3, and A, the coordinates are 3, 3. So the slope of DA will be, let us say, M2 will be, I've written the formula once, so I don't have to repeat it again. 3 minus 3 upon 3 plus 1. So that will be 0 upon 4. So M2 is equal to 0. Then what you will say, that since m2 equal to m1 equal to 0, I'll write it here this side, I'll continue below that. Therefore, CB is parallel to DA. Okay, since I'll say M1 equal to M2 for parallel lines. Okay, so far so good. Now we finished with this. Let us look at our, this is our C part. Let us look at our D part. D part, find the equation of diagonal AC. Diagonal AC. You want the equation of that. Equation of AC. For AC, I will need the slope of AC. So A is 3, 3, the coordinates, and C is -4, -2. So the slope of AC will be equal to y2 minus y1 is -2 -3 upon x2 minus x1 is -4 plus 3. -2 -3 upon x2 minus x1, so -4 -3. That gives us -5 upon -7, which is equal to 5 upon 7. Now AC has slope equal to 5 upon 7, and it is passing through A, which is 3, 3, correct? So I will write the slope point form y minus y1 equal to m into x minus x1. So y minus 3 is equal to 5 upon 7 into x minus 3. Cross multiply. 7y minus 21 equal to 5x minus 15. 0 therefore equal to 5x minus 7y minus 15 plus 21. So therefore equation of AC is 5x minus 7y plus 21 minus 15 is 6. And this is our answer D. Okay, so although it was a little lengthy, it was not difficult. So that finishes our section A. I hope you have secured full marks in this. We had 40 marks we solved just now. Okay, so that is the end of our section A. Now section B will be another video because this video will become too long. So I'm stopping over here with question 3, third part. I hope most of the answers you got them right, if not all. I really hope all of you got all the answers right. Okay, I will see you in the section B in the second video.